Hello and welcome to this video. Here you see a padlock that I received from Robert. The YouTube name is James. It was a great package where this lock was in, and I didn't know this brand before, MDK. It's a heavy-duty lock, nicely made, and it comes very innocent looking. So it says China on the back. The keyway is not really bad, so enough room to manipulate the pins. And if you look at the bitting, not too crazy. So I was thinking, not a big deal. Well, but this lock turned out to become my nemesis. I wouldn't say that I hate it, but it's not a very nice relationship. I can pick it open, and I made a video where I picked it in hand, and it took me about 7 minutes, and it was a really hard fight. And open. Wow, 640. And then I clamped it into a vise and tried to pick it nicely, but I just can't do it. So what you will see now is just trying to get it open somehow. And I have not yet decided what to do with this lock afterwards. If I cut it open and see what kind of magic it has in it, or if I keep it just to remember myself about my incapabilities of picking, or if I send it out to someone I really like. So let's clamp it into a vise and see how it goes. So here is the baby clamped up in a vise, open, closed and locked up. I apply tension from the pin side and use this deep hook from Sparrows. Not from Sparrows, from Peterson. So pin 2 is the only standard pin and got a full set. The rest are spools. From my experience, now pin 1 is the best spool to start with, and picking those spools is really the hardest part. That's the fight. You have to release tension a lot because those spools bind very hard. So try to set the spool, got it set, lost my full set and got it back by setting pin 2. But sometimes I overset the pin or a pin in the process of picking the spools, and then it's not just that I have to reset pin 2. But now I was lucky. Okay, go to number 3. Try to set this spool, getting feedback. Okay, got a click. I think I overset it because now 2 is springy. Oh no, okay, got it back. My full set. 1 is set, 2 is set. Yeah. 3 is given feedback again. Something dropped, I lost my full set. Let's see what's 2. Okay. How about now? 3 is not giving me feedback. Going to 4. 4 is giving me feedback. Okay, I think I set 4. 1 is loose. You can hear the spring of number 2. So 2 is springy again. 3 also. 4 is also springy. I use a rig and see what happens. got my false set back. Let's see what's up. So 1 is set, 2 is set, 3 is set. 4. Not really sure. I think 4 is also set. We might be lucky. 5 is giving feedback. So let's see if I could have set 5. So 1 wasn't set all the way, so now it's set. Check pin 2. Pin 2 is springy again. Pin 3 is stiff. Pin 4 is stiff. I use my rake and see what happens. At least got my false set back. So 1 is binding. Okay, got it set. Got a click from 2, but no false set back. Use my rake again. My false set back. 1 is set, 2 is set, 3 is giving feedback. Got it set. Okay, got my false set back. 1 is set, 2, 3. Oh, okay. For the last pin, I will use the sparrow steep hook because it's giving me. It's a little bit thinner. Yeah. I'm on 5. Got a click from 5. Maybe 5 is set. Let's see what the rake says. Yes, and it's open. Yeah. That's the usual fight I have with this lock. I really don't know how to pick it in a more, in a nicer way. That's the way I can pick this lock. At least I get it open. So an open is an open. Thanks for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.